Find the product of functions. Again, define muna natin ang ating kukunin na product. That is f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. Then, substitute natin ang ating given function. That is 4a times 2a squared plus 5a minus 1. Then, sa pagmumultiply ng monomial dito sa trinomial, ating lang i-distribute, okay? So, 4a times 2a squared, that is 8a cubes. Then, 4a times positive 5a, that is 20a squared. Then, 4a times negative 1, that is negative 4a. So, ito po ang final answer. Next, number 2. It's your turn. Just comment your answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.